Can you watch movies to earn money online? By the way, let me know your favorite movie streaming platform in the comment section. Before I continue, also do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lovely videos just like this coming your way. So let's get right in. I know that most of you will ask me, does this method works and what is it really all about? Okay, so calm down, let me explain. Now, if you come down to Social Blades right here, you're going to see that this particular person right here earn money every single day. You're going to see the dates and the time. Let's see how much this person actually earns every single day. So you can see that this person is earning from, you can see $6, $14, $16, $19, $54, $33, $17, $20, $26, $38, $79, $127 and $27 and $73. I'm just going for the lowest amount. This person right here earn an average of $35 right here every single day. That's an average of $35 every single day. So that's why in today's video, I want to show you what these people do to earn this amount of money and how you can actually duplicate the same process in your own way. This particular method right here is called movie reviews. It's called movie review. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually earn money with this method using Facebook and Netflix. These two apps combined together, how you can actually earn money with it. So just stay with me. Let me show you how this works. And later in this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how you can actually avoid copyright claims if you choose to review movies. So I'm going to show you this in step-by-step process so that you can actually take notes and you can also know how to go about this step by step. Before I go further, I'm actually recording this video on the 1st of July, guys. Just comment happy new month in the comment section. Step one, you need to have a smartphone because you cannot do anything without your smartphone. But if you have a laptop, it's still okay. But smartphone is actually more easier to use or more flexible. You can use it anywhere. All right, so you actually need to have a smartphone. You also need to have access to movie streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, Showmax, and so on and so forth, right? So I've given you guys the two simple steps: your smartphone and access to streaming softwares. So let's move on to step 3. So guys, do you know that they just released Squid Game season 3, right? This is actually amazing, and this movie is actually trending right now. A lot of people are watching it. You know, it's actually an interesting TV show. I'm not going to spoil it for anybody. So the step 3 right here is for you to actually look for a movie you actually love or a TV show, and you have to watch this movie and you take notes. So write down what you like, what you don't like, write down some key points. Please make sure you don't spoil it for people because people might get mad at you, especially if that is their favorite movie or their favorite TV show. So just try to avoid spoiling it for people. All right. So the next step right here is for you to record your movie review. All right. So once you record your movie review, just brief people what the movie is all about. Remember, don't spoil it. Just brief people what the movie is all about, what you enjoy in the movie, and also share your opinion. So our step 5 right here is edit the video. I know some people will say, okay, I'm not a video editor. I don't know how to edit videos. I got you covered. There's actually a class going on right here that actually teaches you how you can edit videos with just your smartphone using different apps from Google Play Store like CapCut and InShot and other professional mobile apps you can use to edit videos with your smartphone. I'm going to put the link in the description below so that you can check it out. If you like it, you can actually join the class. So the step 5 right here is for you to actually edit the video. Create a Facebook page. So how can you do that? There are a lot of people that still don't know how to create a Facebook page, but download the Facebook app and just create a profile, create your normal profile. I think Facebook don't really like when you create a profile and you create a page that same day. They might see it as spam. I don't know why, but I've actually tried that before. It really did not go well. So just click on pages right here. You're going to see where they say create page. You can see create or click on get started. So set a page name. You can put something like, my name is Solomon. So you can put something like Solomon Reviews. No, your own name, use your name. All right. So you can put something like Solomon Review, Joshua Movie Review. So you can just set a Facebook page name that is related to what you're going to talk about. Next step is for you to post these videos on your Facebook page, not on your Facebook profile. If you go to Mr. Beast's page on Facebook, you're going to notice that he posts every single day, like 1, 2, 3 videos every single day. The list I've seen on his page on Facebook is 1 video every single day. That's what I've seen, that he posts every single day. So what I'm going to tell you to do right here is that if you create a long video, let me say like 20-minute video, 20-minute video review, or 15 minutes, and you actually post this 20-minute video on YouTube, of course you're going to have other social media pages like YouTube. So what I'm going to recommend you do is that cut this 15-minute video into 5 and you start posting it on Facebook every single day, and it's going to take 5 days for that to finish. And before that 5 days run out, you have another video waiting for you to continue the loop over and over again. Remember, that is how you stay consistent and you grow your audience, and you also grow your following on Facebook. So how can you make money with this? That is the best part. For you to qualify for Facebook monetization, you need at least 5,000 followers. Once you qualify, Facebook is going to invite you that you actually qualify for monetization. I have a Facebook page that I monetize. I monetized this page a few months ago. All right, so if I open my Facebook analytics, you can see that I have over 1.7 million views in the last 28 days. So let me change this number to 90 days. Let's see how many views I have in the past 90 days. I have up to 2.9 million views in the past 90 days on one of my Facebook pages. So guys, this is how your dashboard should actually looks like. Mind you, Facebook have different monetization options. Number one, they have ads on Reels, they have in-stream ads, and they have stars, they have bonuses, and so many other monetization features. So as you grow on Facebook, you're going to be unlocking each and every one of them step by step as you grow on Facebook. Now, I told you guys that at the end of this video, I'm actually going to give you guys some tips on how to avoid copyright. Now, you need to note that if you're actually doing movie reviews, there's high chance, if you don't know what you're doing, there's high chance that you're going to get copyright strike, copyright claim, copyright issues right here. Not just from Facebook, even on YouTube if you're posting movie reviews. But let me give you some tips that might work out for you if you're actually posting movie reviews and you want to avoid copyright claims and copyright strikes on your videos, right? You have to use screenshots or posters. Now, this is actually the safest way for you to do a movie review, or you go to Google and search for the movie poster. Just use the poster for the review. This is actually the safest option for a beginner. I get me. Now, the option 2 right here, record clips. Record some clips from the movie as you watch it. There's something they call fairly use. Now, you're actually using these clips not to post it like that, but you're using these clips to do a review. Now, make sure these clips are no more than 10 seconds. Make sure they are not more than 10 seconds each. I get me. Make sure they are not more than 10 seconds. If not, you're actually going to get a copyright claim or a copyright strike. Go on YouTube, search for movie reviews. You're going to see different channels that do movie reviews, and just watch their content, see the way they actually produce their content. I can actually pick 1 or 2 things from each of them, and you can actually add up your own and create your own original content. All right, the third option right here is for you to actually get the movie trailers. Before GTA 6 is actually being launched, they actually released a trailer. If you go to YouTube and search for GTA 6, you're going to see different creators that have created different gaming reviews about GTA 6. I get me, but they actually use that particular trailer that GTA 6 or Rockstar actually posted on YouTube. Make sure you actually create value to those particular trailers before you actually post them on Facebook or on YouTube or on any social media platform that you want to post them for you to actually get monetized. I just give you 3 months or 6 months of full effort. You can create a page and monetize it in 6 months of full effort and staying consistent, guys. So tell me what you think about this method in the comment section.